Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Retail, and today we have here my new action camera. It's the Insta360 1R. Definitely took a big chunk of my pocket. It costs a whopping 63,000 rupees. This is the ultimate bundle, but if you buy the normal twin R edition, that will be somewhere around 40-ish. How different is it from the normal one? You get the 1-inch lens additional. So and also I bought the Boya microphone. It's called the Universal Cardioid microphone. I don't care, whatever. So this I've bought as a motovlog setup. Let's see, I'm not sure how it works. For now, let's get into unboxing. We have the Boya microphone right here, and we have the Insta360 1R. We'll keep this for now because this is the big stuff. This I've already unboxed. This is just for the video. Apparently this is the first copy. I'm not sure because the place where I bought it from, they told it's an original one, but then I just surfed a few videos and I got to know that this is the fake one. It comes with a warranty card, at least. I'm not sure if it comes with a warranty, but yeah, this is the I'm not sure what they call it. I guess they call it the spot mic because of whatever reason. This is going to get shoved into my helmet, and hopefully we can get some better audio quality for the motovlogs. It comes with a pretty good looking cover. I'm not sure what this is called, but this actually tends to absorb any sort of movement and gives you a better audio quality. And there are two sets of I won't be able to use this for my Insta360 yet because there is this extension which you need to buy and which I don't have for now. Pretty sure I can't use this for a while until that comes in. So moving this all aside, let's get into Insta360 1R itself. As you can see, it's completely sealed off. I still haven't opened it, so I'm just praying to God that it's not a fail and I don't get a stone inside. I might need a knife, which I don't have. I have a scissor though. So if you guys are wondering, I'm going to start this up in this video, you're wrong. This is just an unboxing and not a hands-on experience video. This is just to show off my new purchase. I can at least tell you what comes in the box. So this is called the brain, or I guess that's what it's called. I'm not sure. People call it the brain, so I'm going to just call it the brain. So this part is the brain of the camera. This is the 1-inch lens that I was talking about. It's from Leica. So this is a 1-inch wide angle lens. This is the main thing what you are paying for. This is a 360 lens, so it's going to capture all the video on this end and on that end, and it's going to stitch the part whatever is in between. And then you have the Insta360 cover. So basically just cover your 360. These are your batteries. I know it's pretty late to mention this, but this camera is modular, so basically has 3 parts to it and you need to connect them together to make it run. This is a selfie stick from Insta360. It's pretty cool. It's got whatever inch screw over here. I mean a place to screw it in, and then it has a screw for you. You can screw in the action cam. I guess it's 4 feet in size. I'm not sure. I don't think this is 4 feet. Is this 4 feet? No, this is not 4 feet. This is just, I'm guessing, 2 feet. So this is all the paperwork. This is the case for your camera. The charger, to be honest, I don't see any other slot that I've missed, but I don't see the charger as well. Where's the charger at, bro? Oh, I don't get a charger, is it? What do they expect me to charge this with? Oh, it's a very odd place to hide it. Anyways, it's a Type-C cable, but hopefully with the new 1R, with the new Insta360 1R twin edition with the Leica 1-inch lens, there might be more videos. Stay tuned, subscribe for more.